Today, I want to share with you a very cute little turkey that will hold the name of each person and where they should sit at your Thanksgiving table. The oatmeal cookie, little ginger snap cookies, candy corn, Reese's peanut butter cup miniatures. And I needed red hots but couldn't find them, so I'm substituting bits and pieces of bubble gum and pick out the red ones there, and that will work just fine, and some chocolate chips. Okay, so we have the green frosting on the oatmeal cookie. I'm gonna set that there and let it get a little bit dried out, and then we're going to generously frost a little ginger snap. And then we're going to put candy corn around like feathers on a little turkey. There's 3. You can do more if you like. This is a simple little thing the kids would love to help do in preparation for your Thanksgiving meal. Okay, then I'm going to put this little Reese's cup right there. And if you'd like to add a few more candy corns, getting frosting all over. Whoops, that one's broken. Let's get one that's not broken. And you can just fill up those little feathers there with as many as you want. Okay? Now that the frosting on the bigger cookie has set up just a little bit, we'll sit the turkey right in the grass. Okay, then to finish, we'll take a little chocolate chip with some frosting on it and just use that for the head, and then a little red hot or the little piece of bubble gum here, and again dip it in the frosting. Whoops. And just stick it right under his chin there for his little waddle. Is that cute or what? And your kids will just love making those. They can make them the night before even. And the next thing that makes them so important, of course, is putting names on them. You can go to avery.com, pick out an image, and you edit all of them with the image, and you don't need to use the labels. Just I used a piece of cardstock and filled out 30 turkeys, and then I went back and just put names by each one, and I left blank ones so I can write names in if I want as well. So then we just take our paper cutter, can just stick it right here in the frosting. Now, isn't that lovely? Here's the little turkey that we just made. Everyone will look for a turkey with their name on it, and that will show them where to sit. This can become a favorite tradition. My kids loved making these for many years. One simple tradition to make your home your happy place.